a quick snack session. We're going to have a nice veg bread rolls. Hi, hello, vanakkam. Welcome to Dosa Pizza. I'm Kashmir Jaykumar. They are going to be a yummy snack for kids. They can even take it to school in their lunch boxes, or you can have it with a tea. Lovely, yummy veg bread rolls. So this is a very quick snack session. Heat a tawa or a pan. Add some oil. Let's add the cut tomatoes. Just look at this girl. She's coming and waiting here because I'm having some butter here to be cooked. She loves butter. She's waiting here. I'm going to add the cut beans. Depends, if you like carrots, you can even add carrots to this. Add the potatoes. Instead of beans, you can add carrots, but you'll have to add potatoes because potatoes is going to act as a binder. So potatoes are a must for this. Cumin powder, chili powder or pepper powder as you wish. Salt to taste. Now we need this potatoes and the beans to get cooked slightly at least. So let's sprinkle some water and cover it and leave it in medium flame for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, they have blended well and cooked also. They did not become very soft because we are going to again roll them into the bread and keep them again on stove. So it's okay if they are even semi-cooked. I'm adding some lemon juice. This lemon juice is to just enhance the flavor and give a nice taste. But if those who are allergic to lemon juice or something like that, please avoid it and you can go ahead with the rest of the preparation. Now here our vegetable which is going to be kept into the bread is ready. So let's prepare the rolls. You're going to keep a dosa tawa. Now first put some butter to your tawa. Now here we are taking a bread slice. Please note that the vegetables have got some water in it, so that will make this bread soggy enough. So let's not wet the bread. Now I have not mentioned about cheese in the ingredients. This depends. Like if you're going to give it for children and they love cheese, you can just put some cheese on it. Or if you're going to give it to elders who do not want cheese, you can avoid cheese and do this rolls. Some cheese. Now slowly and gently press the bread slices. If you feel it is too dry, then just dip your fingers in water and handle it. Just put it on your dosa pans. So here with all the bread pieces, we have made the rolls and kept it on the tawa. Now just turn it both sides with some butter and you get your veg bread rolls ready. So here now our yummy veg bread rolls are ready to be served. So dear friends, hope you enjoyed this session of making the simple yummy snack veg bread rolls. Do try this and keep us posted. Dosa Pizza is all about enhancing your taste buds. If you like this video, press like, subscribe to Dosa Pizza, and for your printable recipes, visit dosatopizza.com. Thank you and bye-bye.